I'm going to show you how to work a few key steps of the mini herringbone stitch. Here I am in the midst of a wrong side row, and I'm going to show you the repeat of the wrong side row of mini herringbone stitch. You want to purl two together, leaving these two stitches on your left needle. Then take the tip of your right needle and insert it back into that first stitch to purl it. Once you've purled that first stitch, you can then let both of those stitches fall off the left needle. Let me show you again. Purl two together, leaving these two stitches on the left needle, purl into that first stitch, and let them both fall off. One more time. Purl two together, purl into the first one, and let them fall off. That's the repeat for the wrong side row. Here I am in the middle of a right side row, and I'm going to show you the repeat. The first thing you do is slip one stitch purlwise. Next, knit one stitch. Then use the tip of your left needle to pick up that slipped stitch, and as you're pulling it off the needle, knit it. Let me show you again. Slip one purlwise, knit one, pick up the slipped stitch with your left needle, and as you bind it off, kind of pulling it off and over, knit it. Show you one more time. Slip one, knit one, pick up the slipped stitch, and knit it as you pull it up and over and off that right needle. That's the repeat for the right side row.